All right, as you can see, I recently fitted some Explore Glazing Gullwing windows on both sides of my Defender. I also got a drop-down table for the left-hand side as well. So I had my eye on the Explore Glazing windows for a while. I was just waiting for the right time to buy them. I'm really impressed with the quality and the workmanship of these windows. The materials are really nice, stainless fasteners. Um, and it's all powder coated, good quality seals. So fitting the windows was pretty straightforward. I just removed the old ones. They were original, so they were still riveted into the body. I drilled out the rivets, pulled the windows off, and yeah, the new Gullwings just pop straight into the hole. And then yeah, mark out the holes, drill the holes, put the bolts through. It's pretty straightforward, really. Bit of sealant, yeah, nice and easy. The drop down table is a little bit more involved. It's quite a lot of tapping out of holes. You get like a table which is laser cut with all the holes pre cut, and you just have to tap them out for all the hardware, and then it bolts directly onto the frame of the Gullwing window. So let's have a little look at the product close up. So yeah, this is the table. So there's these little spring clips that pop in, and then yeah, I'll just grab the straps. So it's got two separate straps which need to be stored somewhere easily accessible, I guess. So you pop this down, and then the straps pop in. Just like that. And you've got a table then, and then the windows is straightforward. There's just two latches, pop them down, and open it goes. Yeah, like I say, all of the quality of all of the fixings, the latches, really nice. The latches are obviously locked, so same key for both latches. Yeah, just lock it like that. And now the window is secured. And then yeah. So yeah, really cool. The plan next is to build a storage compartment in here that we can keep cooking supplies, etc. And then we've got another big table, and then this is just going to be an extra surface that we can cook on and make tea, etc. It's quite high, but it's great. It's perfect. You know, it's gonna be really nice to use. I can't wait to go camping and put everything to the test. And then putting the table away is as simple as just take these off. Pop it up, and then it pushes in on some little rubber stops on the hinge, so it doesn't rattle around at all. And then there's these gear rails which are included as well, which are quite nice. They come with these little sliding studs and sort of eye bolts that you can put in and slide along. which will definitely come in handy. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on there yet, but I could put water tank or bags or whatever it is. So really nice, just more storage and also a bit of protection as well. We're on the driver's side now. Same again, exactly the same window as the left hand side. I briefly touched on it. So the plan now is to build some storage boxes in here. I'm going to have like a flat section there with some locker hatches, which will be like deep storage, and then there'll be some shelves. The right hand side, driver's side, I think we are going to use to store all of our equipment, climbing equipment, hiking equipment, for all of the activities that we like to do. And on the passenger side, it's going to be for cooking, almost like a mini kitchen. So yeah, really excited to do that. But I also want to make it removable, because when the truck isn't loaded up, it's really nice to have this sort of open space. Like if you have them both open, you can see right the way through the vehicle. It's brilliant. So the idea is to design a storage solution which can be removed and stored when we're not on big trips. But yeah, that's coming up in the future.